If you want to print in Pixlr, whether you're making a design, a flyer, a poster, or just a quick image for offline use, there are two simple ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to use Pixlr's built-in print option, and I'll also show you a backup method where you save your project first and print it from another program. This is a super useful workflow if you want more control over the final result, especially when you're checking layout, paper size, and print quality. If this helps, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your design inside Pixlr. Once your project is loaded, look at the top menu and click File, then choose Print. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac, and that will open the print preview as well. This is the fastest way to start printing directly from Pixlr. When the browser print window opens, take a moment to review the preview carefully. This is where you can adjust the layout before sending anything to the printer. Depending on what you're printing, you may want to switch between portrait and landscape mode. You can also check margins, scale, and the page fit, so your design doesn't get cut off or stretched in the wrong way. If your image looks too small or too large in the preview, use the browser settings to resize it properly. For best results, make sure the image is positioned the way you want it on the page. If you're printing a full-size graphic, you may want to choose a setting that fills the page. If you're printing something like a logo, social media graphic, or small design, you may want to leave some white space around it. The browser preview is important because it gives you one last chance to make sure everything looks right before printing. Once you're happy with the layout settings, choose your printer and click Print. Your design will then be sent directly from Pixlr through the browser to your printer. This works well for quick prints, but if you want more control, there's another method you can use. If the direct print option isn't giving you the results you want, you can first save your design as a JPG, PNG, or PDF. This is a great backup method because it lets you move the file into an external program before printing. To do that, go to File and choose Save As, then pick the format you want. JPG is useful for standard image printing, PNG is great if you want higher quality or transparency, and PDF is often the best choice if you want a cleaner print workflow. After saving the file, open it in an external program like your computer's photo viewer, Adobe Acrobat, or any app that supports printing. From there, use the print command in that program and adjust your printer settings as needed. This method can sometimes give you better control over scaling, paper size, and page alignment than printing directly from the browser. So to recap, the fastest way to print in Pixlr is to use File, then Print, or press Ctrl+P and adjust the browser preview settings. If you want more flexibility, save your file as JPG, PNG, or PDF first and print it from another program. That way you always have a reliable backup if the direct print layout doesn't look quite right. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Pixlr tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.